What is up, everybody? Welcome to Trey's Trades, where we give a technical analysis on different stocks in the market regarding swing and day trade deals, as well as buy, hold, and sell opinions on these given stocks. I'd like to preface by saying that I am not a financial expert nor advisor. I'm just some random dude on YouTube, so take everything I say with a grain of salt. With that being said, let's get into today's stock, which is ticker symbol CYTH, CTD Holdings Incorporated. And let me just start off by saying, holy Toledo, what the heck happened here today? So let's take a look at the 3-month chart. You can see that it has an all-time high here of $15.50, and ever since it has just been slowly, outside of these couple days, just slowly dropping, and pretty drastically. Like, we're looking at a $9.90 high here, about a week ago, down to $4.25. So if you were a short seller, congratulations on making 100% return on your investment. But for most of us who are longs, this is a nightmare. This is something you wouldn't want to touch with a 10-foot pole. So more than anything today, I'm a little bit confused. So this stock was brought to my attention by somebody on StockTwits. I was messaging back and forth with somebody about some different swing and day trade ideas, and they had mentioned this stock had some pretty abnormal volume. So I took a look at it, and let's just show you something really quick. 3 months. Today, this stock saw 35 million shares traded. Yesterday, 3 million shares. Before that, obsolete. Seeing absolutely no volume. 93,000 in a whole day. It was 276,000 in a whole day. Before that, some days this wouldn't even break 1,000. Some days this thing was off the map. So I'm confused as to why this stock even popped off today. Was this just a quick pump and dump by some insiders? Is this something that you can continue to see into Monday's trading hours? I have no idea, to be honest with you. That's a question I wish I could get an answer to, because if I could, I'd be either longing or shorting this thing to make a quick profit. But with that being said, let's take a look at the company and see what we can learn. Okay. Net income, negative $7,530,000. Net margins, negative 900%. Return on equity, negative 4,500%. Everything's negative here. All problematic. Nothing good. There's nothing good about this company whatsoever. If I was to invest in literally any day trade, this would probably be very dead last on my list. Oh, how about that? In the medical sector, this is ranked 1,523rd out of 1,563 stocks. So according to them, it's last on their list too. So I'm not the only one. How about that? Yeah, with that being said, the only reason I'm making a video on this is because it was brought to my attention that this could be a potential stock to watch for on Monday for a quick pump and dump. But let me tell you, I do not see this going absolutely anywhere. You look at the trend here, it is down. This is a downward trend. You're seeing some little ups and downs. So maybe if you're really good with swing trades or day trading, you could take advantage of volume. But the problem is there's not a lot of volume happening here, man. And if you're trading 747 shares in a given day, and this stock has 169 million outstanding shares, how are you going to see any sort of volatility on this stock? You can't. There's no demand. There's absolutely no demand for this stock. Now, if we can see a repeat in trend like today, where we traded 35 million shares in a single day, where you're looking at, in the neighborhood of 20% of the outstanding shares, then yeah, I mean, I could see how you could turn some good profit on this, but there's absolutely no way that I could predict seeing this in the future. So a buy, hold, or sell rating, I would say If you have a position in this, take your losses. Personally, I think there are situations where you do want to hold and make your money back, because stocks do tend to go up and down. That's just the nature of the market. But there are stocks out there that just suck, and I think this stock just sucks. If you are a bag holder and you do want to wait to see if you can get some of your money back, wait until Monday and check out the volume coming in on the stock in the pre-market. If you're seeing anything in the millions, there's a chance that this thing can go up. There's a chance you can get some sort of return on your losses. But if you're seeing anything even in the thousands, I'd say you're pretty well better off just taking your losses and moving on to something else to make your money back. I couldn't even give you a fair price valuation on this in the near future, just because there's absolutely no good price action happening here. It's either been consolidation or abnormal spikes and valleys. The 10-day chart, we've got this huge absolute plummet in stock price. Yeah, there's just no way. You don't want to touch this thing with a 10-foot pole. I would rather invest in literally anything else except for this. So if you can take any away from my non-expert opinion, it's that you should look somewhere else for a good day or swing trade deal. Let me know what you think of the video in the comment section down below. Let me know if you made any money off of this, off this stock. Let me know if you have any news that I might have missed. I would love to read it. I recognize that there's no way I can keep up with absolutely everything to the best of my ability, and I would love to learn more if you know more about this stock. Thank you for coming to the channel and watching. Please drop a like if you enjoyed the video. Drop a dislike if you didn't. Either way, it helps the YouTube algorithm, and I'll be greatly appreciative. I have a goal to get to 50 subscribers by the end of the week. So if you'd like to see more content like this in the future, please subscribe to the channel. That's all I've got for you today, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.